Schools are preparing for thousands of students to return, some as early as next week. San Antonio's largest district, Northside ISD, continues to monitor the surge in coronavirus cases, stressing vaccinations for students and their families. Eyewitness News reporter Zach Briggs shares the superintendent's advice for your kids' safety.
I think there's a lot of possibilities for us in the coming year, and I'm excited to see students back in our buildings on Monday.
Northside ISD Superintendent Dr. Brian Woods sent out a message to staff and families this morning as the aggressive Omicron variant spreads throughout San Antonio.
We're going to really encourage, maybe more than we have to this point, families to really consider vaccinations. We're going to try to do some information sessions with some doctors to explain to families what the science is behind the vaccine.
The district strongly encourages mask wearing when inside school facilities. Meanwhile, San Antonio and Edgewood independent school districts are mandating masks to be worn. Health experts anticipate potential dips in student and teacher attendance in the coming weeks.
Particularly as we return to school, and we may be finding that there are a lot of students or a lot of teachers who are unable to come into school because they're in their quarantine period or recovering from SARS-CoV-2.
Woods believes the CDC's shortened duration for quarantine and isolation will prove beneficial in the long run, but there are still challenges with filling teacher vacancies.
Even if a child is a close contact or is positive, we feel like that'll enable us to get that student back in the building sooner than we would have in the past. 10 days of instruction under the old quarantine rules that's a lot.
Northside ISD continues to offer free COVID-19 testing put on by Metro Health and vaccine clinics in an effort to reduce infection among children and educators. Zach Briggs, KENS 5, Eyewitness News.